Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening your deck and heading straight to slideshow. This is where timing lives. Click rehearse timings to record how long you spend on each slide, or choose record slideshow to capture voice and timings together. Once done, PowerPoint will save per slide durations automatically, so make sure to watch the preview. If a slide needs a fixed pause, manually enter the seconds in the transition pane. This gives you precise control before moving to the full run-through. You now refine pacing using the transition pane, select a slide, tick advance slide after, and type the seconds you want. Use transitions sparingly so timing feels natural, and test with slide show preview to hear how one slide flows into the next. If animations are involved, rehearse while triggering them so timings include animation delays. Once you identify slides that lag or rush, adjust seconds incrementally and repeat the preview until your overall rhythm is even and matches your spoken delivery. You finalize by saving the recorded timings. When prompted, choose Keep Timings or Export Video to lock them in. Make sure to rerun the slideshow after any content edits because added text or animations can change duration. If you encounter audio drift or mismatched animation timing, re-record only the problematic slides rather than the whole deck. This saves time and preserves good sections. If playback still feels off, check system performance and reduce complex animations, then rehearse once more to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.